Howdy folks, welcome to Gear Talk. Tim here. We are on test number 2 of the saw here that I got from Saker, the electric mini chainsaw. I've got 2 logs crossing my path to my deer trail. Makes it really hard to get the sled over. So what I'm going to be doing today is cutting them out. Now we got a few weeks before deer season starts, so any noise I make with this should hopefully have no effect on the deer coming in. So let's get to work and let's test this thing out. Wow. That really made quick work of that little one right there. So that one was about 3.5 to 4 inches. The other one was more like 6 inches wide, I think, guessing anyways. It was definitely bigger than the blade. And the weight pushed down on it. So if I had blocked it up and then cut through, then that definitely would have worked a lot easier. But so far, that is highly soaking wet. Trees are dead, that's dead wood. Now we're going to go put the stand up, and I'm going to be using this to trim out my spot for my stand to make it a little more easy to access. There we go, that's perfect. I can shoot right down, but I got some branches to clear out down there too. And then I got so I can see down this way. Excellent. Well folks, there you have it. The Saker electric mini chainsaw, or mini electric chainsaw, however you want to name it, doesn't matter. This thing is awesome. Like, man, is this thing ever handy. I'm up in my stand and I'm not hemming and hawing on anything. I'm just very easily using this, pruning the branches, getting stuff cleaned up, making sure I'm safe while I'm in the tree, making sure I got nothing, you know, sticking into my back. Something happens and I fall back, you know, you have a branch or something sticking out, you could hurt yourself. This thing worked great. We've cut a 6-inch log with it. Well, we got through most of it. We didn't blow the amp in it, so, or the fuse or the heat fuse. It did stop a couple times just from the pressure of the log closing in on it. But I mean, this thing powered through. I gave it a full charge before I came out here, so still lots of power. I've used it for about half an hour, cutting everything up. We've got everything done that I needed to do. That's really, really awesome. It does obviously have noise, so in the application of using it at my deer site, probably not the greatest. Something I should have done something earlier in the year, but we did it today, and that's fine. Gotta say, guys, live wood, dead wood, doesn't matter. This thing's cutting through it, no problem. The batteries seem to last me. I don't know how long they last in total, guys. That's something obviously you'll find out as you use it. But so far, I have been very impressed with this. So second test, guys, is done. This thing is working great and still solid. Nothing broken. Nothing. No lack of power. No anything. It seems like a really solid product. You know, I figured maybe this might not be a great product, but this turned out to be a great product, especially for me, for what I do. This has been awesome. So anyways, guys, that's it for this second test of the Saker electric mini chainsaw. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a great day.